The new school year is upon us, and whether or not you are going to college for the first time or you are looking to continue your education, these mobile apps will help you accomplish those goals. The first app is from a well-known company, and it's called Quizlet. The main purpose of Quizlet is to have electronic flashcards. It also allows you to view flashcards from other users, which is pretty cool. You can actually filter down to the school that you are attending, and you can then filter into the course, and you'll be able to see flashcards from other students as well. The next app is called Flipped, and this is a really simple app. It allows you to create study sessions. That way you can block your time for studying or getting some work done. Flip allows you to set a time for study sessions, for work sessions, and it allows you to create a session where you can minimize distractions. The main feature of this app is it's supposed to help you focus on the task at hand. The last app on our list is Notability. This is a third-party note-taking app that is only available on iOS platforms. If you're an Android user, you can also use the Good Notes app, which is available on both iOS and Android. Essentially, it's a note-taking app, so there's not a lot I can say about it. It is actually pretty useful on iPads, especially if you have an Apple Pencil. So you can definitely just take notes as you would with a regular pen or paper. So that is it. Those are some of the best apps you can use for back to school that are not ChatGPT. If you found any other useful apps, leave them in the comments. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.